How to hide profile picture on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to lock your Instagram profile photo so only approved followers can see it. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open the menu. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Moving forward, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Account Privacy. In addition to that, toggle on Private Account to make your entire profile private. Once there, only approved followers will be able to see your profile picture, posts, and stories. Subsequently, if you want more specific control, go back to privacy settings. Moreover, scroll down and look for Profile Picture or Photo Privacy. After that, tap on it to adjust who can see your profile picture specifically. Then select your preferred option like Only Followers or Only People You Follow. Within this setting, anyone who doesn't meet the criteria will see a blank default avatar instead. Alternatively, if you want maximum privacy, keep your account private and manually approve follower requests. Once configured, your profile picture will be hidden from people who aren't your approved followers. And that's it. If this profile picture privacy guide helped you protect your Instagram identity, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram privacy tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.